energetic music. Imran Khan, Pakistan's greatest son, with unshaken resolve, forever one. In our hearts, his legacy stands. A Jinnah's hero cries and sighs for justice which forever sways. Wake up, Pakistanis, and rise. Listen the call of Khan's strife. Imran Khan stands for Jinnah's Pakistan. Through it all, his entire life. From cricket's glory of success to politics' undefeated strife. Imran Khan, a born legend, for Jinnah's Pakistan's pride. Her spirit unbroken like a Jinnah's flame, guiding us through darkness to a brighter flame. In the shadows of Pakistan's dark great deceit, Khan shines so bright. Imran actually the unconquerable, Pakistan's beacon light. Deep sea of Wakeup to the height of Gilgit's hills. Khan's revolution, a voice of Pakistani nation's thrill. Khan is a hope for change. Every Pakistani's heart wants this change. Imran's voice broken the darkest politics laws. Her spirit unbroken, a Jinnah's flame, guiding us through darkness to a brighter frame. In the shadows of Pakistan's democratic deceit, Khan shines so bright. Imran actually the unconquerable, Pakistan's beacon light. Infinitative of shocking Khans, it can't survive drill. No more college's concept of theme. Actually, education's lights of dream. Imran's heart beats for Pakistan's pride. Fire inside Khan's soul till the justice for nation uphold. Injustice, corruption to current illicit trials. Culprits woven conspiracies for his future's denial. Yet still he rises like a hero born. Khan's unbroken spirit, unbowed to Allah, his spirit sworn. Khan's spirit unbroken, like a Jinnah's flame, guiding us through darkness to a brighter frame. In the shadows of Pakistan's democratic deceit, Khan shines so bright. Imran actually unconquerable, Pakistan's beacon light. Imran Khan, Pakistan's courageous son, with unshaken resolve, forever one. In our hearts, his legacy stands. A Jinnah's hero cries and sighs for justice which
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content and updates.